This is a quick tutorial on how to schedule an appointment with a CWI tutor. From My Blackboard, go to the Tools section and scroll down. Click on Connect with the CWI tutor in person or online. When you access this page through Blackboard, you don't have to register an account and it populates CWI tutors, which are all free. From here, you can direct your attention to the filters on the left, including subject and course code. Let's say you need a math tutor. Just type in math. It populates many options. Pick the one that you think best meets your needs. You can see that the tutors have open availability because the days are highlighted in green. Click on the tutor that looks good for you and scroll down to read about them. You can click book or message Joanna. From here, it populates an availability calendar where you can schedule the appointment. Be very careful to make sure your time zone says US Mountain. If it doesn't, click here and make the change. It looks like she has no availability, but be aware that this is 7 in the morning and she's just not awake yet, and you have to scroll down. There you go. The green times are available for meeting online or in person with this tutor. To book the time that she has available, simply click on the time you would like to start. So let's say I want to start at 12. I will click on this bar. And then I'll go to checkout and book. From here, you need to answer some questions. Do you prefer to meet online or in person? Give her a little bit more background information about what you need help with. And give her some more information about your specific assignment. We will prepare for tutoring appointments if we have information to go off of. Select your location. And then ignore step 3 payment method because CWI tutors are free. From there, click Book Tutor. And it should confirm with your email your tutoring appointment. You'll get a reminder and you can message your tutor directly from that email. If you have any questions, shoot an email off to tutoring@cwi.edu. And we really hope you reach out for help.